morning and welcome back to our Vlogmas 2021. New day.
New money.
New blessing. New day.
More blessings.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. And kanina pa ako gising, actually magtatanghali na din dito. Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog because ngayon lang ako sinipag. And chinarge ko pa tong aking camera. So, Cameron is, you know, what are you doing, my love?
I'm gonna go cook dinner.
Yeah, he's gonna cook,
My Thai curry, the only thing that I can make.
the only thing. Yeah, magluluto siya ng dinner. Kasi ako dito, yung aking, what I call that, my job is to clean here and mag-rearrange ako. Can you move that first, the two-side table, my love?
Move where?
Here.
No. Why are you not gonna use it? Where are you gonna put this?
Pasensya na kayo sa kalat dito, mga Mars, kasi nga nag-umpisa na ako kanina mag-arrange.
Where are we gonna put this?
Just there. So, dahil na-board na naman ako, mga Mars, i-arrange ko na naman itong aming kwarto. Sabi ni Cameron, ano na naman gagawin mo sa kwarto? Sabi ko, wag ka nang mahimik ka na lang, sabi kong gano'n. Makikita mo yan mamaya yung result ng ating kwarto o pagbalik mo. Ayan. Good job, my love. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna go cook it now.
Okay. Tupiin ko lang muna itong mga may kumot. Kasi, lilipat natin itong kama. Lilipat ko na naman siya. Ibang ano na naman. Ibang style na naman. Ito yung eksena. O, diba may pa-eksena pa. Ayan. So, nilagyan ko siya ng plants. Oo. There. Lilinisan ko pa tong, ano, salamin para malinis siyang tingnan. O, diba? Parang, ano ko dito sa salamin na ito lagi. Parang ang, alam niyo yun, pandak. And then, next naman na gagawin natin is maglagay ako ng bedsheet, mga Mars. My love? My love? Come here, please. I'm done cleaning now. Ayan, basura pa yan mga Mars. Antayin natin.
Well, it's much better, isn't it?
What do you think? What do you think my arrangement?
Yeah, it's much better because there's more space. Where was the bed before? I can't even remember. Oh yeah, it's like that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got loads of space now with this.
Better.
Yeah, it's better.
Approve or disapprove?
Double approved.
No.
Yeah. What about the plug?
It's there.
Is it still going on?
Yeah, it's still downstairs. Oh. Yeah.
And then you have space for your mirror.
Yeah, I can.
You can do TikTok now. There's a space. What about the lights?
Yeah. Manonood muna daw kami, sabi ng aking mister. So, I'll be right back later, mga Mars. Kung anong ganap na later. Alright, manonood daw muna kami. Ewan ko kung anong panonoorin na. Check natin yung niluluto ni Cameron. Ang bango, naaamoy ko siya. Nagugutom ako actually, mga Mars. Kasi cereal lang yung kinain ko. So, alas 2:19 and akala ko mga mag-alas 4 na. Pero ang dami ko nang nagawang nakapaglinis na ako. So, ito yung update sa ating Christmas tree. Ayan. So, si Cameron. What are you drinking, my love? Are you drinking rum? Oh, I thought you're drinking rum. Ayan. So, dyan ko pala sinabit, mga Mars, yung hook na binili ko kahapon. So, dyan ko sila ilalagay. There. And Cameron is having Coke and chocolate. There. I'm gonna check Cameron's curry. Let's see. Look at that, mga Mars. Bakit may beans na dito? Nilagyan na niyang beans. Oh, that's good. Looks good. Ayan, mga Mars, yung itsura sa labas. Super gloomy. Ayan. So, let's go. Nagugutom ako. Maybe magmerienda muna ako. Kuha tayo ng juice kasi nga may Pringles doon. So, magpi-Pringles ako. Nagutom ako kakahakwat ng kakalipat ng mga gamit. Tsaka ano ba yun? Hoover at basta mga arrange ba. But at least tapos na yung ating paglinis. Pwede na tayong makapag-chill and relax. Chill and relax. Let's go. Let's merienda, guys. And manonood kami. What is it, Mano? What we gonna watch? Malab, Yorkshire is north.
Yes.
Mga Marikoy, Koy, we just finish watching, and ngayon, magsasaing ako ng ating kanin. May kanin naman kami dyan, pero that's not enough. It's not enough, you know. Isa't kalahati lang ata isasaingin ko. Or baka isa nga lang eh. Isa lang muna yung sasaingin ko, Mars. Kasi may kanin pa rin. Or dalawahin ko na. Baka magbaon bukas si Cameron. Kasi he's working again. Bukas may pasok na naman siya. Ako na naman mag-isa dito. No? Ayan, so wait lang natin siya. Check natin yung manok. Ayan. So very, very, very mabango mga marsh. Ayan, nakita niyo ba yun? So kuha tayo ng So, kakatapos lang namin mga marsh. Katapos lang ni Cameron tawag nito. He just finished playing and then Cameron wants to do my,
You want me to do it.
Skincare. You want to do it. So, first things, nagharutan dito, ang harot.
What is it?
Sige na!
What?
You do that, put the, that Garnier.
This one?
Garnier, not the...
Garnier skincare?
Yeah. Move a little bit here.
What am I going to do with it?
Throw it. Erase my makeup because that's a makeup remover. Grabe naman to. Parang matanggal naman tong mukha ko sa... It seems like when you...
It doesn't even know you have makeup on.
No, you change another one.
There's none left.
There's some there. Pag siya magpunas ng ko, parang matanggal yung aking eyebrows ba? Okay, I need to rinse it with water. I'm gonna rinse it with water. I'll do it. Because that's really cold, my love. And ayan. Yung mag-ilamos muna ako. You wanna do it? Oh, yeah. Look at that, smooth sand and nail care. That's for nail care, my love. You're not gonna use that on my face.
What's this?
It's you read it.
Removes impurities. What's that?
I don't know. Parang yung labi ko pag pinupuna, parang lilipat dito sa noo ko yung...
What are you talking about?
Malab, the way you my...
It's just harder to do it on a person, isn't it?
the way you wipe on my face, malam, it seems like my eyes gonna go here. It's get, you know, rearranged. Next is use this, put it in your palm, and then like this, and then
What is it?
just like, you know, hydrating something. Let it dilata. Ang harot. Ang nagarutan at naglandian pa dito sa CR. Matutulog na nga. And then use that like hydrating milk lotion for my face. Yeah,
Do this every night?
really loads my life. Yes. Sometimes I don't, but mostly yes. I wish it did do this every night. No?
Right.
It's good. It's good. It feels good. Really, really good. My nose area. And then next is that serum,
What's serum?
the red one.
What's this stuff do? What's all this stuff do?
Yeah, use. Mm.
We're gonna pop it in.
Rub it. Why did you think that it works? And you put lip balm. That's it for my skincare routine. Ala by Cameron.
Okay, need a shower.
So thank you guys for watching. You want a shower routine? Ipakita naman daw yung shower routine ng camera. Ako naman gagawa sa So i-end na namin itong video na ito mga Mars. Thank you guys for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And we hope to see you guys on our next video.
Bye.
Love you all. The rest is history.